Hey everyone, this is Brian here with Kim & Co. And today we have another tutorial on ManyChats. This is a follow-up tutorial on one of the questions that we had on the original video. And this question comes from Video Logic. Great tutorial, I have a question. I see some people offer a guide when someone types any word they say, but those who don't follow them get a message to please follow first. How do I set this up? This is a great question and a great strategy to further engagement with your audience. So let's hop on over to ManyChats and see how to set this up. Alright, so I am logged into my ManyChats account and I am currently under the automations section. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new automation by clicking on new automation on the very top. And instead of using one of these templates, what we're going to do is we're going to click on start from scratch on the very top right here. Click on that. And we're going to set our new trigger. Okay. So what we want to do is have this automation be triggered by a comment on one of our posts or our reels. Okay. So I'm just going to select this one pretty randomly. I'm going to click on continue. Let's say that my keyword is going to be jewel. And I'm going to click on continue here. I'm not going to put random replies for this one. Well, yeah, I think it would be fine. I'm going to do sent. This is really quickly. Do not follow these step by step, right? Done. The link is in your DMs. It's way better. Or sent. Please check your DMs. That's better. Way better. But I'm just going to click on, put these on here just to fill them out for now. And okay. I'm going to click on save. So the first step is the trigger, right? Whoever comments the word jewel, right? The word jewel on this post will be receiving a reply on the comments, right? Saying these words, okay? And now, next step, right? Previously we had sent them directly to the link. This time we're going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to delete this right here, and we're going to establish a condition. Now, a condition, what it means is that before we send them a message, certain criteria needs to be met. Okay, so what can this be? Like we had originally discussed, we want to see if this person follows us. Okay, so we're going to go to system fields, and I'm going to scroll under the Instagram section. And we're going to check if the person follows your Instagram account. This is a yes or no condition. Okay. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to move this a little bit to the side. Let's say that this person does indeed follow us. Okay. Yes, they do follow us. So the first thing we're going to do is great. Let's send them this message and say, hey, let's see, your PDF is ready. Click on the button below. And I'm going to add a button. The button title is going to be your PDF. And this is going to open up a website. And we're going to obviously copy and paste the link to the PDF or whatever resource, right? It doesn't have to be a PDF, it can be anything. In this case, I'm just going to put, just for the purposes of this tutorial, jimenez.com. And I'm going to click on done. Okay, so yes, they triggered this automation by by commenting on the post. We're going to check if they do follow us. If yes, indeed, they do follow us, then we're going to send them the PDF or the lead magnet. Let's say that they do not follow us. Okay, well then what we're going to do is we're going to set a new Instagram message. And this message is going to say, hey, I noticed you didn't follow me. Drop us a follow right here. And you can even do like an emoji, like let's say down, right? A little pointy finger. And on this button, what I'm going to do is say like at Kimberly and Jimenez, and we're going to open up website, and I'm going to paste right here, Instagram.com/Kimberly and Jimenez. Okay, so you obviously copy and paste your Instagram accounts right here, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit to the side right here. So what's happening here? They triggered the automation. We check if they follow us. If they do follow us, we send them the PDF or the lead magnet. Blanking on the name here. If they do not follow us, then we're going to send them a message to prompt them to follow us. Like, hey, I noticed you didn't follow me. Drop us a follow right here. And they're going to click on this link right here, which is basically going to open up your Instagram profile or Instagram account. Now, what would be the next step? Now we are going to wait. We're going to do a smart delay. Okay, and this smart delay, let's say if they did take action quickly, right? They were looking forward to that downloadable. We're going to wait 5 minutes, and we're going to check again. Did they follow us? And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to add a condition, system fields, Instagram, and we're going to go again to the follows your Instagram account option. So let's say that they do, within 5 minutes of receiving this message, they followed you. Perfect. We're going to come over here and we're going to say, awesome, here's your PDF. Now this is starting to look a little weird. So what I'm going to do is going to move this here to the side so it's very understandable. You can see it, right? So you can see the kind of like the steps to follow. Okay. And let's say that for whatever reason, within 5 minutes, they did not, right? They did not follow you. Okay. They still have not followed you yet. What we're going to do is we're going to set up another delay. And this time we're going to give them, not seconds, minutes. Let's say 20 minutes or so. If for whatever reason, right, they said, no, I don't want to follow you, I just want the PDF, that's totally fine. What we're going to do is going to wait yet another 20 minutes. We're going to check again right here. We're going to set up another condition again to check and say, okay, this person does want to follow me or not. Let's say that they did follow you indeed. Okay, great. We're going to send them again to the same message. If they are reluctant, no, I don't want to follow you, I just want the PDF, that's totally fine. What you can do is ultimately say, okay, never mind. Regardless, hey, here's your PDF download. Hope to hear your thoughts if you liked it. And we're going to add and copy paste, right? The PDF, right? Your PDF right here. We're going to send them to the same one right here. And hopefully down the line, they will follow you, okay? But essentially what we did is we created a system to prompt your audience, right? Your people to follow you before they receive a free lead magnet from you or whatnot, okay? So you can always set this up, use discretion, right? You can do multiple of these, but you could get a little spammy, right? After a minute, you could get a little like, oh, okay, people are making me wait way too much. So use discretion, right? Don't wait so much, or just do one level. If within 5 or 10 minutes they don't follow you, that's totally fine. Just send them the PDF and hopefully they will, or send them the lead magnet and hopefully they will eventually follow you. Okay, so use your discretion. If you notice that a lot of people are not really interested in following you, that's totally fine. Remove these and go straight to this. Just play it by ear. Okay, again, try not to be too spammy, but you can gain some really good followers and get really good traction if your PDF has a lot of interest. Now, do note that the smart delay and the conditions features are all pro version features, okay? So if you're under the free account, then you will have to upgrade it in order to use them. You can build out your automation, you just won't be able to use it, okay? Now, if you have any questions, drop them on the comments section below, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, bye for now.
And hey, if you're wondering how you can work with us to take your content marketing or your business to the next level, here are 3 ways that you can get started. Number 1, make sure to download our Success Path. It's completely free, and it'll give you the 6 stages of online business success. From validating your business all the way through scale, we're going to give you a detailed overview of what particular strategies you need to be deploying, but also, just as importantly, what areas you should leave for the next stage, you should not be worrying about. Now, it's not a comprehensive list, but it definitely is going to get you started on the right track. Number 2, come over to Content Calendar System 2.0 and check it out. Not only is it our most popular product, it's going to give you everything that you need to know about content creation that's efficient and will save you a ridiculous amount of time from the lens of profitability, because we don't want to just create content for the sake of creating content. We want to do it for a purpose, and we want to get results. Number 3, come join us inside the Business Lounge. It's our premier signature program where I teach my very best work around marketing in general. From developing your business idea to crafting amazing emails and blogs, podcasts and video, social media content, as well as designing funnels and creating webinars and selling via Facebook ads. All of that training is jam-packed inside the Business Lounge. Not just that, but you're also going to get monthly coaching calls with me and my co-pilot, Chris, where you get to ask us questions, we review your sales strategies and your sales funnels, and we give you feedback in real time. You're also going to have access to our private forum, where you can connect with thousands of other online entrepreneurs who are just where you're at right now. And you're going to be able to feel that sense of community and get feedback from those people in real time as well. All the information will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you in the next episode. Un beso. Bye for now.